Trivia. In Japan, first reaction to almost every situation is to apologize. Want to learn how to do it in the right way? Stay tuned to find out how. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. It is true that in most cases, Japanese conversations usually start with an apology. すみません、道はどこですか？お待たせいたしました。だいぶ待ちましたか？失礼します。手紙を取りに来ました。This is one of the common traits of being a Japanese. These words are usually accompanied by a bow or even nod of the head. For this video, I will teach you how Japanese use some words to apologize, or what we call ayamaru. This is a short but very important topic, so please discover them with me. Are you ready? Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。すみません。Sometimes すみません is used to express gratitude. すみません。Or call someone's attention. すみません。But in most cases, it is the most widely used kind of apology. Let's practice. すみません。すみません。失礼しました。This sentence could be heard mostly in a formal or polite conversations, like in schools or business settings. When you accidentally interrupt your superior while he or she has a visitor, you may say, あ、失礼しました。また来ます。Which means, oh, I'm sorry, I will come back later. Let's practice. しつれいしました。失礼しました。お待たせいたしました。You will say this sentence if you're meeting someone and he or she arrived earlier than you do. You will also hear this sentence if you finally get any services which you requested. This means, sorry to have kept you waiting. Just a tip, Japanese are very particular about the time, so please try not to use this word. Let's practice. おまたせいたしました。お待たせいたしました。ごめんなさい。This might be the kind of apology which Japan is famous for from foreigners' point of view. In schools, children are taught to say this while bowing their heads if they have done something wrong. For adults, it might sound a little bit casual, so you might want to accompany it with more apologies. For example, ごめんなさい。すみませんでした。大丈夫ですか？ Which means, oh, I'm sorry, are you okay? Let's practice. ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。It's time for me to hear from you. How do you say ごめんなさい in your native language? Please type your answers in the comment section and I'll make sure to read them. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section too. Here's a summary of what we have talked about today. I hope you learned something new today, and please use them and see how your Japanese friends and superiors react. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。